This is the instructional video for rocking around the Christmas tree in the key of G on your ukulele. So I hope you're tuned up. We're gonna go through all the chords right now. And this is in the key of G, so obviously we're gonna use the G chord. There it is. We'll use D7. We're gonna use A minor 7, which guess what? Is open strings. So A minor 7, also known as C6, you can use that. So we're gonna do A minor 7, D7, easy D7. So that's fun. And then we will use a C chord. We'll use a B minor chord, which is, you know, you can do the bar chord however you want. There. And then E minor, and also E minor 7, which you could substitute. You could just do this one if you want. And that's pretty much it. Those are all the chords. The song's not too difficult. You know, there's a couple little spots. I think these different, you know, A minor 7, I mean, it can't get much easier than that, right? It's open strings. So let's go down the tune and we'll just go part by part. You'll see it's pretty easy. All right, let's go from the top. So, rocking around the Christmas tree at the, and we change Christmas party hop to D7, and now mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop, but they can't stop because they're on a toboggan. All right, so pretty easy, right? And then if we go on, it's basically the same thing. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the D7 spirit ring. A minor D7, A minor D7, A minor 7, D7, G. Yay! Now, like a lot of these tunes, it's AABA. So where's the B section? Right here on C. The B section starts on C. I don't know. Go figure. You will get a sentimental, and now B minor, which is probably the hardest chord in this particular song. So we're gonna play a bar it, and finger on the top string. Fourth fret. See, I like to do this sometimes because you get a little extra support. Feeling when you hear voices singing. E minor, you guys. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Let's be jolly. Let's be easy with the E minor 7 chord. Deck the halls, so A7. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Now that's our, we see this in a lot of songs. We see a 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Just like the Hawaiian vamp, beginning of every Hawaiian song, right? 2, 5, 1. I'm rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. All right. As far as practicing, you guys know where the tough spots are. Maybe, you know, the E minor chord, the B minor chord. Those would be things I would work on. Those would be things I would work on. I guess that's correct. Those would be the things I would work on. Those would be two of the things I would work on. All right, so I hope you are enjoying learning and playing these holiday songs. I know I get a lot of satisfaction out of playing these songs with my groups as a music educator and a music therapist. If you'd like to get this chord sheet, you can do it right here at patreon.com/Kalani. If it's around the holidays and you feel up to it, enter the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. Take on the challenge and you can play your ukulele to win an ukulele. All the details are below. Make sure you do subscribe before you click away. And I want to say thanks for dropping in. Please leave your kind and helpful comments in the comment section. And if you'd like to contact me, you can do that at Patreon. You can also do that through KalaniMusic.com. And let me know how I can help you. I help a lot of people with music, so it's my pleasure. Go out and make some great music yourself. Play with your friends, play for your family, play for strangers. All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.